Hello everyone. So today we're going to see how to solve this hard equation with an easy method. So we're going to solve together. Let's seek solution. The first thing you don't want to do is to open up this bracket with multiplication because it will generate different terms and it will be very long. So what we are going to do is to look for a common terms. That is, here we have x to the power of 2 plus 6x common to the two parentheses, and we are going to represent this with m. And if we agree on this, our equation therefore will becomes m plus 1, and here m minus 3. Everything is equals to 5. This is more simplified. Thank you for staying tuned. I would like for you to click on the subscription button to subscribe to our channel. Also click on the like button so that this video can have more visibility. Alright, thank you. We're going to continue. And to do this very well, we can open up this bracket m times m, that is m to the power of 2 minus 3m, and 1 times m, that will be plus m, and 1 times minus 3, that's minus 3, equal to 5. Again, to simplify this further, m to the power of 2 minus 3m plus m, that will be 2m minus 2m, and minus 3 equals to 5. So we're going to take 5 to this left hand side so that m to the power of 2 minus 2m minus 3 and minus 5 will be equal to 0. And our equation therefore becomes m to the power of 2 minus 2m minus 8 equal to 0. And this is a typical quadratic equation. So we're going to look for two numbers. Their sum should be minus 2 and their product will be minus 8. So if we consider minus 4 and plus 2, minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2, minus 4 times 2, that is minus 8, and we're fine. So our equation becomes m minus 4 into m plus 2 is equals to 0. Here we can see either m minus 4 is equals to 0 or m plus 2 is equal to 0. So that from here m will be equals to 4 and here m will be equals to minus 2. But we're not done yet. So this is the values for m. But recall that we agreed that x to the power of 2 plus 6x will be equals to m. We're going to substitute our value for m so that for m equals to 4, we now have x to the power of 2 plus 6x will be equals to 4. Again, this is a quadratic equation. So we're going to solve this using the completed square method, since the coefficient of s squared is 1 and the coefficient of s is an even number. So if we do this very well, we can therefore write x to the power of 2 plus 6x plus 1 over 2 times 6 to the power of 2 will be equals to 4 plus 1 over 2 times 6 also to the power of 2. And this becomes x to the power of 2 plus 6x plus 3 to the power of 2 is equals to 4 plus 3 to the power of 2. And this is x plus 3 to the power of 2 is equals to 13. And if we take the square root of both sides, the square and the square root cancel out. What will be left will be x plus 3 is equals to plus or minus square root of 13. So that s will be equals to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 13. And again, for m equals to minus 2, our equation x to the power of 2 plus 6x equals to m. So that x to the power of 2 plus 6x will be equals to minus 2. Using the completed square, we can have x to the power of 2 plus 6x plus 3 to the power of 2 will be equals to minus 2 plus 3 to the power of 2. Again, x plus 3 to the power of 2 will be equals to minus 2 plus 9. And minus 2 plus 9, which is equals to 7. So if we take the square root of both sides, x plus 3 to the power of 2 square root equals to square root of 7. The square root and the square will cancel out. X plus 3 will be equals to square root of 7. So that x will be equals to plus or minus square root of 7 minus 3. And our value for s, x1, is equals to minus 3 plus square root of 13 minus 3 plus square root of 13, and x2 is minus 3 minus square root of 13. And from here, s3 is minus 3 plus square root of 7, and s4 is equals to minus 3 minus square root of 7. And the values are all real numbers. Thank you for staying tuned. Please click on the subscription button before you leave. See you in our next video. Bye bye.